Hello everyone, welcome to ERA Group. I'm Hannah. It's my honor to be here and give you the introduction about our HDPE products. And first of all, I would like to give you a brief introduction about our company. And Yonggao is a listed company. It's the leading manufacturers in China, specialized in PVC, CPVC, PPR, PE, and PP piping systems. With an annual production capacity of 600,000 tons, Yonggao has more than 4,000 employees, and in our 12 factories, covering 1,332,000 square meters in China, and it has equipped with 900 injection machines and 300 extrusion machines and 12,000 molds. Yonggao reached a sales turnover of $900 million in 2019, and including export to more than 146 countries all over the world. Okay, here I want to show you a brief video about our company. Okay, now let's go to the part of our HDPE products. It is widely used in engineering maintenance, municipal pipeline construction, and the underground water and gas supply systems, etc. And it also has many advantages, such as high connection strength and the high impact resistance at low temperature, and the corrosion resistance and aging resistance, etc. Just because of its new construction methods, such as pipe jacking, layer pipe, crated pipe, and for places where excavation is not allowed, the HDPE pipelines are the only choice. And HDPE have frequently appeared in major projects around the world, and its safety and stability have been widely recognized. Now, let's take a look about our HDPE products. You may ask me why we should choose our ERA Group. I think comparing with other factories, our company's advantages are as follows. Please look at this PowerPoint. The first you can see we have the production skills of our ERA, and the second is the raw material, and the third is technological advantages, and the fourth is product, and the fifth is quality control advantages. The sixth is research and development advantages. The sixth is the certification, and the eighth is the package, and the ninth is the service. And the first, I will introduce you about our production skills advantages. For our HDPE pipe production, we have 16 extrusion lines, including 12 production lines of German Battenfeld Cincinnati, and we have 8 automatic pipe bagging packing machines, and its annual capacity is about 43,000 tons. And for our HDPE fitting productions, we have 150 injection machines and covering scales from 200 gram to 45,000 gram. And we have robot and other automatic equipment. It also helps us to achieve 90% automatic production, and this annual capacity could achieve the 3,000 tons. And so we have sufficient capacity to complete large orders from domestic and foreign market. Now, let's watch a video about our HDPE workshop. Okay, secondly, I would like to introduce you about our raw materials. So you can see this is all the raw materials of our Era company's product. And so for our HDPE products, we use the raw materials. We use the high quality raw materials supplied by Sinopec, Borealis, and which are the 100% certificated by our international markets. And we will evaluate all the raw materials performance before selecting, and we use 100% of our PE compound raw materials for the production, and we never add any crushed and recycled materials. And all the raw materials will be tested before storage, such as density, age, moisture, carbon black contact, and melt mass flow rate, etc. And this could help us to make the quality of our raw materials. And also, the unqualified raw materials will be rejected. And the raw materials over 200 tons will be tested again. And also, the raw materials stored for more than 1 year also should be tested again. And all of our HDPE raw materials will be dried before production. And thirdly, I would like to introduce you about our technological advantages. After many years accumulation of our production, development experience, and Yongao has achieved the most production process standards, and the technology department will confirm the standard technology through the big production. And after the first piece is inspected to be qualified by our quality control department, the workshop production process standards will be looked, and any adjustment to this standard will be authorized, and workers have no right to adjust this process and time, and it helps us to ensure the stability of our production. And firstly, I would like to tell you something about our product. For our HDPE fittings, we use the most advanced built-in hot wire welding type, and the saddles we use the latest type of punching knife and the highest technology of punching tool. And for our HDPE pipes, we take the maximum index to ensure the safety and service time of our products. And for the wall thickness, it is very important for our HDPE pipes. We detector to maintain the stability of the product's the wall thickness. And okay, let's see this chart and check our quality control advantages. This is the quality control process, mainly includes the raw materials and the storage inspection. And for this, you can see the incoming quality control and the start production, first piece inspection, production process inspection, and finished product inspection. And the last one is the outgoing quality control. And for the first item inspections, it shall be inspected by producer, mechanical, and quality inspection specialist. And after it's confirmed to qualified, then we could start the mass production. And for the process inspection, it should be randomly conducted by process inspectors every 4 hours. And for the package inspection, that shall be randomly conducted by process inspectors to supervise the quality of goods and package during the package process. And for the finished product inspections, our HDPE extrusion products and valves must pass X-ray inspection to confirm that there is no inner house and no short circuit of our hot wire, etc., to ensure that the internal electrofuels wiring is qualified. And sixthly, I would like to show you something about our research institute. Our Yongao Research Institute has a CNES accredited lab and IMO accredited lab. It has totally covers over 6,000 square meters, and it has equipped with over 300 sets of test equipment and 250 researchers. Also, we have investment about 20 million US dollars, and it support us the strong support new products development and the raw material choosing and inspection, and also help us to make the product's quality improvement. And it help us to get the international certification approval, etc. So please look at this video about our Yongao Research Institute. Relying on our state-level research and development center and a strong research team, we have invested 1.5 million US dollars to get the 13 international certification, such as the NSF and UPC certification, German DVGW and TUV certification, RAS and kind mark and watermark certification. And for our HDPE products, we have got the 3 international certifications, such as the British RAS certification and the Russian SRCU and EAC certification. And our extrusion products have got the TUV certification. You can see this is the RAS certification. We got this certification for our HDPE products. And it is known as the most difficult certification to be got in the world. The following table list will show the test that we will do to pass this the test and get the RAS certification. First, we will do the pressure test underground pipes and fittings. This is assembled fittings and pipes at 2 times of the rated working pressure for 60 to 5 seconds, and the pressure between 4 to 30 bar with the tolerance of 0.5 bar, and the HDPE products should be no leak. And the next test is hydraulic test. This is above ground pipes and fittings, and this is at the 1.5 times of the rated working pressure for 60 to 5 seconds. And if the pressure between 1 to 4 bar with the tolerance of 0.2 bar, if the pressure between 4 to 30 bar with the tolerance of 0.5 bar, and the HDPE products should be no leak. And the next test is the effectiveness for our assembled fittings. This has 2 situations for this test. The first is for the underground uses. For this one, it is assembled fittings and pipes at 2 times of the rated working pressure for 15 minutes, and the pressure between 4 to 30 bar with the tolerance of 0.4 bar, and the HDPE products should be no leak. And the second situation is above ground uses. This situation is same as the first one, but it is at the 1.5 times of rated working pressure for 15 minutes. And also, the pressure is between 4 to 30 bar, and the HDPE products should also be no leak. And the next test is the opacity, and this is the amount of light transmitted through the fitting wall should be less than or equal to 0.2%. And the next is vacuum test. This is assembled the pipes and fittings and give a pressure with vacuum for 1 hour to 5 minutes, and the pressure gauge changes shall not exceed to 0.1 bar, and there's no enter of water inside the fittings. And now I would like to introduce you something about our package advantages. Our area has prevented the reasonable and careful package, and it could effectively protect the products. And we could package according to customers' requirements. And also, we have equipped with effective automatic packing machines to deal with the big orders and prevent the delivery time. And also, it has made our customers certified about our delivery time. And lastly, I would like to tell you about our service advantages. Let's check this PowerPoint, and we got 5 advantages on our service. The first is the VIP service. The second is 50-year warranty. The third is credit sales support. And the first is new product development. And the fifth is advertising support. And for the first is our VIP service. Working with our area isn't just about fighting alone. It's about close cooperation between 2 teams. There are not only one-to-one consideration and timely service from the customer manager, the whole process guidance, and the internal control from the regional manager, but also the all-round communication and sharing of the sales and market planning from the sales director, as well as full support from the technical and production team. All the cooperation is of all the departments of the 2 companies, which lead both of us to the glory together. And the second, I would like to tell you about our 50-year warranty. Our area has prevented a 50-year warranty for all productions, including our HDPE products. In order to realize this commitment, our area has strictly controlled the quality of products from the very beginning. Just as I mentioned before, we have the strict quality control of our raw materials. And at the same time, PICC will provide quality insurance for 50 years, and the insurance company will be responsible for settling claims caused by quality problems, so as to reduce the subjective influence of the interested parties. Therefore, if the quality problem of our area product really occurs and causes loss of life and property, our PICC will be responsible for compensation, so that our distributors no need to worry after sales, and end customers no need to worry while using. The 50-year warranty ensures service could help more distributors have confidence in the quality of our products, and let more and more customers be stick to our area brand. And the third I would like to tell you is about our credit sales support. Our area has provided credit sales support to customers in more than 100 countries, and we provide financial support to customers with capital needs, and supports all aspiring distributors to make their business bigger and stronger, so as to realize their life dreams together. And the next I want to tell you is about new product development. Just as I mentioned before, our area has invested the $1.5 million every year to development new products, so as to follow the market trends and development the best-selling new products in various markets all over the world to help our customers expand their product lines and seize the market opportunities. And the last one I want to introduce you is about our advertising support. Our area has fully supported the customer's advertising work to promote and display the image of our area brand in local market together through more media and ways, such as light books, car advertisement, radio, newspaper, display board, to build our area brand together with our customers. Okay, so that's all my introduction today about our HDPE products and company. Please choose ERA and let's make win-win cooperation together. See you next time. Bye-bye.